Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. I'm just going to share to you a very simple fix for this. So let's go quick into it. In the Windows search bar right here, you need to type CMD, which stands for command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. So it's very important that you have to click on run as administrator so that the command will work. So here you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations, which is a very helpful fix. So the process will start from 1% and will goes up to 100%, and there is no specific duration for the process. So what we can do for now is we just have to wait for this in a while so that we can run the second command next to it. Okay. Now once completed, so we need to type in here the second command, so just simply follow me. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health, hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize by using the minimize button or key, but do not close the window. And here's a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help the process to continue. And once the process has been successful or is 100% completed, so as you can see, this is now starting the process. Once this is completed, once this is 100% completed, just simply close out of here, and then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.